Jungles are beautiful, right? We all love those lush greens and catchy scenes, the chirping at sunrises and the spotted surprises. I have found myself many times lost in jungles, counting the owls and spotting the bears and tigers. The mornings enlightened the souls, and the evenings dared to scare me with the wild roads. It was easy to get lost, but tougher to find the way back. And precisely that's my little talk today with you, my dear testers. How to mingle in the mighty IT jungle. This is Smita Kerkar. I lead the export compliance in the quality and compliance division of Mendix, a Siemens business. Being a tester throughout my life, I could see the picture clearly. Can you relate that? At times, we face the situation which are very complex. The first and foremost hurdle that a tester faces is that unclear requirements and the expectation to know it all, and that too very clearly. The moment we get a grab of the picture, the challenge to automate brings nightmares. Fortunately or unfortunately, the speed of the cloud is more than the speed of the light for us. So, which gives us an opportunity to learn many things. But right and comprehensive technical skills is something which is always a recipe cooked with lot of spices, but still lacking that punching one spice. While as an ambitious tester, one might attempt to do a little bit more, but at times limited to spread the wings because of being labeled as a tester. Happens, isn't it? To embrace the development with the right quality spirit and to make it go, at times the testing tigers need to take a fight with the roaring development lions. And in all these situations, sometimes testers feel trapped like a squirrel. A flying squirrel, though. Don't you feel like that? So, here is what I felt when I deeply look back and analyze my journey. Tigers are powerful swimmers. They are more active. They are agile. They can survive almost at any temperature. They can get into any forest. Come tropical, come rain, come deciduous, come bare deserts, anything and everything. Their courage takes them far. But the king of the jungle is still the lion, the true herd developers sustain long. They rule the regime. They certainly are the strongest because they maintain the pride and represent their community. And one thing which I noticed, the fact of the life is that they roar. They roar loud. Lions' roar is deep and loud. I have heard that it can reach as long as 8 kilometers. So, how do we take it? How do we testing tigers take the life? When I look back, I again compile some of the strongest lessons that I have learned. Be stronger all the time, but louder at times. Be surrounded, but yet grounded. Be ferocious, but love the family. Be with the community and be with the network. So you see, there are rays of hope if we really cope. And hybrids are not bad here. Combine the best of the both worlds all the time to succeed. What do you think? So, how do you get there as a tester, as a successful tester? I've tried to put five impactful points or rules which I found in my career. First is dare to get there. Do not stop. Look at the challenges, pick them up and knock them. Be opportunistic. Here, I would like to specifically say that I have seen people who in earlier life of theirs were testers gone and became very successful impact makers in different roles. They tried to rule the product management, the information management, quality management, export and compliance leading. At the same time, I have seen them leading the R&D as directors as well. So as a tester, we need to balance our technical and logical presence, network to make it work, and think about the big picture instead of being complacent. I would like to put a small journey map of this tester. Being a tester in developer skin and being a developer with tester's mindset all the time, this is the key of my life. A journey that started with an engineer teaching software I now embrace R&D, quality and development, uh, compliance aspects, tougher areas such as export compliance in the low-code application development, Gartner leader Mendix in Siemens. And I've had record-breaking moves in my export compliance career recently. And all that was possible because as a tester, I was agile, I was adaptive, and I tried to break the rules. For most of the times, I'm close to the technology, and that's what I feel is a real key. The hands on and we should not be separable. I've spent my most of the management career into testing, so I proudly enjoy being called as a tester, and I can surely say that this is the best role anyone in the IT industry can get. It's up to you if you want to morph it or take the hybrid form of it. All the best. Stay in touch. Thank you.